the must-have vacuum cleaner on Amazon. The Uwant vacuum cleaner combines multiple practical features, making cleaning easier than ever. Push-in docking station. Push and pull effortlessly, no more hassle. 180 degrees deep cleaning. Reaches every corner of your home with ease. 17,000 Pascal powerful suction. Tackles both wet and dry messes in a snap. Anti-tangle design. Say goodbye to hair wrapping issues. Waterproof body. Easy manual cleaning. Plus, deodorizing stick. Odor-free and hygienic. One-touch self-cleaning and drying. Cleans itself after use, making cleaning smarter and more efficient.